Good morning students. Exercise 6.2 sum number 6. The top of a 15-meter height tower makes an angle of elevation of 60 degree with the bottom of an electronic pole and angle of elevation of 30 degree with the top of the pole. What is the height of the electronic pole? So listen, here what is given, one tower is there. This is 15 meter height. This is one tower, 15 meter height. This is an electronic pole. We don't know the height of electronic pole. Top of the electronic pole. By the top onwards, we seeing this tower means 30 degree. Bottom of the electronic pole to top of the tower is 60 degree. So both are angle of elevation because 6.2 angle of elevation only. So you are seeing the top means that is called angle of elevation. This is electronic pole. Electronic pole. From the top of the electronic pole you are seeing this top of the tower means that is called 30 degree. From the bottom of the electronic pole you are seeing the top of the tower means that is called 60 degree. We know the height of this tower is 15 meter. We don't know the tower to electronic pole. We don't know distance about this one. So this is x. We need to take x. Right. What is we need to find here? Means we need to find this height of the electronic pole. So here I define h. So here also same thing. Here h means here also h. Right? So the remain this side we don't know. Right. Come to the point. First we find the tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree means 60 means whole thing. Whole thing means opposite side is what? 15 meter. So 15 by x. Tan 60 equal to root 3. Root 3 equal to 15 by x. So finally we are getting x will be multiplied here means x 15 by root 3. Like this we write. Then now one angle is there, tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree means this one only. So total height is 15. We don't know this side, so minus h I put here. So total height is 15 tower. Right? We don't know the height for this, so 15 minus h. For example, the total height is 15. This height is 10 means, what is this height? We are easily say this is 5 meter. How we are finding? This, that is 10 minus 5 we are putting. Not 15 minus 5. 15 minus 10. Like that we are subtracting. Listen, total tower 15. This height is suppose for example 10 is up here to here 10. We need to find this height means total height is 15 minus 10 we are putting means 5 we are getting here. The same thing only. Here h means 15 minus h. Here 10 means 15 minus 10. Right. So tan 30 degree equal to opposite 15 minus h by adjacent here to here x means here also same thing x 1 by root 3 this equal to 15 minus h x equal to what? 15 by 30. Right? So this one I return. This 15 I write 3 into 5 by root 3. Why I am written like this means in denominator we are having root 3. We need to cancel this root 3. So I separate this 15 into 3 into 15 by the 3 tables. So we need to cancel this root means this 3 I return root 3 into 5. This 3 I write root 3 into root 3. 3 equal to root 3 into root 3. In denominator we are having root 3. So root 3 cancelled. The final answer is we are getting what? 5 root 3. So x equal to 5 root 3 meter. Now we know the x. So x equal to your substitute 5 root 3. This is 1 means you write using 1. Now root 3 will be cancelled. Remaining 5 only we are here. 5 into 1, 5. This is equal to 15 minus h. This minus h we take this side means h. 15 is there. This 5 we take there means minus 5. 15 minus 5, 10. So height of the electric pole is 10 meter. This is the answer for this sum. So therefore height of the electronic pole is 10 meter. So listen, again I am saying the given question, one tower, one electronic pole. You are in, from the top, you are seeing the tower mean that is 30 degree. From the bottom of the electronic pole, you are seeing the top of the tower mean that is called 60 degree. For all the sums, we need to find the both angles. So I take tan 60 means opposite by adjacent, that is 15 by x. Tan 60 means root 3, and then 15 by x. So cross multiply, x equal to 15 by root 3, and then in denominator we are having root 3. So for cancel root 3, I separate this 15 into 3 into 15, and then cancel, we are getting x equal to 5 root 3. Then another one angle, tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree equal to 15 minus h, because tan 30 opposite is 15 minus h is we are having by x. X equal to 5 root 3, and then cancel, we are getting the height of the electronic pole. Right? Thank you.